Hello, my name is Kismet Madison, and I'm the owner of Mad Tax, where we take the stress out of dealing with the IRS.
Hey, Kismet, thank you so much for your time today. So tell me, how many years have you been in the tax industry?
Well, I have been doing taxes for over 20 years. I started back in 2001, and I just really have a passion for helping people learn more and understand their tax situation better. If I can help people understand their tax situation better, then they can keep more money in their pockets, and that's the ultimate goal, right?
Absolutely. So, Kismet, what is an enrolled agent? Are you a CPA? Are you an accountant? What is an enrolled agent and what do you do?
So, an enrolled agent is an individual that has passed IRS competency tests. So, one was in individual taxation, one was in business, and then the third one being in ethics. Once you pass all of those tests within a certain period of time, you're now considered an enrolled agent, which means not only can you do tax preparation, but you can actually represent your clients before the IRS with other issues like getting compliant, getting into installment agreements, offering compromises, and the list goes on from there. In order for me to keep this designation, I have to have 24 hours of continuing education credits each year, with at least two of them being in ethics. Now, what sets me apart from being a bookkeeper or a CPA is that I can help people wherever they are located. I have clients in Washington State, California, Texas, Denmark, Spain. Because I have the federal designation, I'm not confined to just one state. So that's kind of what makes me different.
Wow, that's very impressive. What differentiates you between other tax preparers?
I'd like to say it's the communication and the personal touch. I really try to take the time with my clients to make sure that they understand what's on their tax return and what needs to happen. Also, taxes can become very overwhelming for people. So doing a little hand holding and okay, let's first do this. Now we're going to do this, and then we're going to do this. And I also ask my clients to keep in touch with me throughout the year because taxable events happen throughout the year. If you're only talking to me in the beginning of the next year, it's too late for me to help you resolve anything from which you've done previously. So if you're thinking about getting an electric car or you're thinking about pulling money out of your 401k or your IRA, let's have a discussion about it before you do it so we can talk about potential tax consequences.
That's fantastic. I've found a lot of business owners, they prefer somebody who is more proactive as opposed to reactive. So that's great.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
So tell me, Kismet, why should an individual use a professional tax preparer?
Using a professional tax preparer has its advantages. One being you know that the return's done correctly. You're maximizing your deductions and your credits. And also, it gives you that accountability partner, someone that you can go to in the event that there is an IRS letter and an IRS issue and say, hey, can you help me understand this? How can we resolve this issue? So that is the pros of using a professional because you only know what you know. You don't know what the professionals know. Like I just came back from an IRS conference where they talked to us about certain things that they're looking for on the tax return, especially when it comes to the Schedule C business owners. So now I know what they're looking for. You don't know what they're looking for, but a professional does.
So Kismet, tell me, what services do you offer?
Well, currently I offer tax preparation. So that's from getting people filed for current year and past years, tax resolution, which goes into IRS letters, offering compromises, installment agreements, passport releases, just all the things. And then the thing that I really love is tax education. And this is where I go into small groups, whether they're realty teams, direct sales management teams, church groups, high schools. I go in and I talk about taxes and the issues that are pertinent to that group. And I really enjoy that aspect of my work along with the tax preparation. So
That's great. And so who would your ideal client be? Do you have any specialty industries that you work in? Tell me about what a great referral for Kismet looks like.
a great referral are solopreneurs or just small businesses with maybe 1 to 5 employees. Right now, about 30% of my clientele are real estate agents and investors, which I love working with them. But I also have other small business owners, daycares, construction workers, non-medical transports. All of the small businesses are the people that I tend to like to work with.
Kismet, tell me a little bit about our partnership.
Well, Glenn, I think we've been doing business with each other for 4 years, something like
Mhm.
that. And I love the communication that we have between the two of us. You always keep me on your mind. I love our conversations and I love how you are able to work with my clients and the ease of the service that you offer. So that's why I continue to use you.
Well, thank you. I enjoy our partnership as well. And not to put you on the spot here, but what is your favorite thing about partnering with me and PayEntry?
Definitely the communication that you have with the clients, with me, and knowing that everything is going to be done correctly. When I give them to PayEntry, I don't worry about whether things are going to be done correctly or not. I know they are, and I have that confidence that you're going to treat them just as I would like family.
So, Kismet, tell me about some of the feedback that you're hearing from our mutual clients. What are people saying about PayEntry? What do they like about working with me and PayEntry?
They love the ease of use with the software that you have. They like, again, the communication that they have with you and with the company. If they do have questions, you're Johnny on the spot. I know there's even been one client that you actually went to their office and gave them a tutorial on the software. So they just love the software, the ease of use, and your customer service with PayEntry.
Well, Kismet, on behalf of myself and PayEntry, I want to thank you for your partnership and for taking time to do this Partner Spotlight series. We've enjoyed learning what Mad Tax is, what you do, what an enrolled agent is, and I'm looking very forward to working with you for years to come.
I feel the exact same way. Thank you for the opportunity. And I just want to drop this footnote. I went to the IRS conference and there were other payroll companies trying to get my attention. And I said, no, I have the best payroll company and I am very satisfied and I am not looking for anyone else. So you got me for good.
So appreciate that. Thank you so much.
Thank you.